Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's fall and 'tis the season for some pumpkin spice, my favorite. So today I'm going to make a pumpkin spice inspired resin shaker charm. I hope you all enjoy. First I mixed all my colors. I chose to use 4 different colors that remind me of fall: orange, brown, gold, and red. Next, I poured all 4 resin mixtures into the mold. I tried to put them in random spots to fill up the mold without them looking uniform. After it was all filled, I used some heat to pop the bubbles and then cured it in my UV light. Once it was cured, I used a dry erase marker to trace the pattern of the shaker onto some clear plastic. Then I cut it out. And now it's time to fill it up. I thought I was slick, but I missed. Let's try that again. Once I had that filled to my heart's content, I spread a light layer of UV resin around the shaker, placed down the film, and then used my UV light to cure the resin. After it was fully cured, I domed the whole shaker with some clear UV resin. I cured that in my UV light, and then I used my hand drill to make a hole for the eye screw. The last thing that I did was add on a jump ring and a keychain so that I can show it off. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this fall craft today. Let me know what your favorite fall flavored drink is in the comment section below. If you're new here and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and check out all my other social medias in the description below. I also stream crafts over on Twitch every Saturday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That link is also in the bio for you. Thanks again for watching, everyone. See ya.